Hello, standing out here in front of our new model home at 3308 Autumn Rain on the corner of Autumn Rain and Legacy Drive. Wanted to just kind of take everybody on a really quick preview of what our new model home is going to be. And so let's go take a look. So this is the garage area, but will also serve as our office space. And so we'll start by going in there. Obviously we still have a driveway to put in, some siding to paint, and a number of other touch-ups to do before it's completely ready, but let's go take a look.